How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings on your device. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to tap on the option general. Alright, so from here, tap on iPhone storage. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the application WhatsApp. Alright, so after you find it, tap on it. Okay, so from here, tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload. Alright, so after you upload it, you'll have to just again tap on the option reinstall app. Alright, so after you complete from here, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings, your problem might be solved now. So if you are still facing this problem on your WhatsApp, you'll have to just tap and hold your WhatsApp application, and from here, tap on remove app. And now from here, tap on the delete app. So for this, make sure you have backup your WhatsApp messages or chat on your device. So after you set the backup, you can easily delete this application from your device, and from there you'll have to just reinstall that WhatsApp application from the App Store, and from there you'll have to just log in with your account and recover your chats and history, and from there your problem might be surely fixed now. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.